Welcome, this is the question practical session of DBMS. I'm going to do the 18th question in here. So in the 18th question, I have to add the data for the previously created tables in the database. Likewise, so we have created a database for a college called Kaluvila Junior College, that they have to store their students' marks for each term in a computer software. So we have to create a database for that computer software. So we created the database and the relationships and the tables for the database, and in here I have to add the data for the database likewise. So I'm going to show you the ER diagram which we created earlier. So I'm going to export the database, forward engineer the database. It successfully forward engineer the database. I'm going to add the data in IDSQL. It is easy to do it, but it's like that way. So in the IDSQL, there is the database I created, exam_mark_db. First I have to add the data for the class table. I'm going to add the data. First one is class ID 01, class name is 11A. Then the next row 02 as well as 11. So that is only for the class table. Then next exam term, then the student table. Student table, I'm going to add the first row in the screen, stu_001 number, the first name is Sandun, Vijayaratna, gender is male, contact number, the class name or the class ID is 11A. So I'm going to do the resting of this. Okay, I have added other data for the student table, and I'm going to add the subject tables data. First subject ID, it's auto increment on. First one is mathematics, science, then the other one is Sinhala language and literature. So that is the subject table, and the exam term table. I have to add the term ID, so auto increment. First term date is and the second term the date, that's it for the term table. Also then student exam mark records. So in here I have to add each one by one for each Okay, now we have added all the data for all the tables. The student exam mark record table also, plus all the tables are now filled with the data. So that is only for the 18th question.